Assalamu alaikum dear students. I am Dr. Muhammad Hashim, working as co-teacher, assistant professor of botany, Department of Botany, University of Education Lahore, DG Khan campus. Today we will discuss about isoprenoid metabolism, biosynthetic pathway, monoterpenes, sesquiterpenes, phytosterols, diterpenes. Isoprenoids are also known as terpenes, terpenoids or isopentenoids. In general, isoprenoids may be defined as natural products whose structures are considered to be divided into several isoprene units. Therefore, these compounds are invariably termed as isoprenoids. Any of large class of organic compounds including terpenes, diterpenes and sesquiterpenes, they have unsaturated molecules composed of linked isoprene units, generally having the formula C5H8 whole number. Terpenoids are volatile substances which give plant and flowers their fragrance. They occur widely in leaves and fruits of higher plants such as citrus and eucalyptus species. Terpenoids consist of complex mixture of terpenes or sesquiterpenes, alcohols, aldehydes, ketones, acids and esters. Terpenoids are broadly classified on the basis of number of isoprene units incorporated into specific unsaturated hydrocarbons. Terpenoid molecules as a number 1 monoterpenes. These are built up of two isoprene units and have the molecular formula C10H16. Number 2 sesquiterpenoids. These are composed of three isoprene units as well and have the molecular formula C15H28. Diterpenoids. These are comprised of four isoprene units and have the molecular formula C20H32. Triterpenoids. These contain six isoprene units and have the molecular formula C30H48. And tetraterpenoids. These are made up of 8 isoprene units and have the molecular formula C40H64. This table showing the classification of terpenoids. Monoterpenoids contain 10 number of carbon atom. Sesquiterpenoids which contain 15 number of carbon atom. Diterpenoids which contain 20 number of carbon atom. Some examples of mono, sesqui and diterpenoids. Number 1 monoterpenoids, which is further classified into the two types. First one acyclic monoterpenoids, second one monocyclic monoterpenoids. Number 3 bicyclic monoterpenoids. These are further divided into three classes. First, containing 6 plus 3 members ring. Second, containing 6 plus 4 members ring. Third, containing 6 plus 5 member ring. These are the examples of 6 plus 3 members ring, containing 6 plus 4 member ring, containing 6 plus 5 member rings. Some bicyclic monoterpenes are camphor and alpha pinene. Second type is sesquiterpenoids, acyclic sesquiterpenoids, monocyclic sesquiterpenoids, bicyclic sesquiterpenoids. The examples are given below in ring structures. Third type is diterpenoids, which are further classified into two types. Acyclic diterpenoids, monocyclic diterpenoids. Phytol is the example of acyclic terpenoids. Vitamin A, which is the example of monocyclic diterpenoids. Distribution and occurrence widely distributed in certain plant families: Pinaceae, Lariaceae, Rutaceae, Myrtaceae, Umbelliferae, Labiataceae, and Compositae. Depending on the plant family, occurs in specialized secretory structures: glandular hairs in Lamiaceae, modified parenchyma cells in Papyraceae, oil ducts called vitae, Umbelliferae. Lysogenous are the schizogenous passage, Pinaceae and Rutaceae, formation directly by the protoplasm. Decomposition of rhizogenous layers of the cell's wall or by hydrolysis of certain glycosides. Terpenoids occurs in all tissues: rose petal, in anemone, bark and leaves, umbelliferous fruits, pericarp, in the members of mint plants, glandular hairs of the stem and the leaves. In orange, it is found in flower petals and the pericarp of the fruit. Monoterpenes, they are the terpenes that have been known for several centuries as a component of fragrant oil obtained from leaves, flowers and fruits. Monoterpenes with sesquiterpenes are the main constituents of the essential oils which is found in the higher plants, while a few such as camphor occurs in near pure form. Most occur as a complex mixture. Terpenoids are found in gymnosperm as well as in angiosperm flowering plants and concentrated in the families like Lamiaceae. Umbelliferae, Myrtaceae, Rutaceae, Centraceae and Zingiberaceae. Diterpenoids or diterpenes, they are of fungal or plant origin and are found in resin and gum-like substances, usually co-occur with mono or sesquiterpenoids, but rarely with triterpenoids. Commonly present resin and trees of Leguminaceae, Lamiaceae, Euphorbiaceae, Solanaceae and Meliaceae. Cisterpenoids rarely found in protective waxes of insects and fungal species. They are phytotoxic. Triterpenoids commonly found in Leguminaceae, Cucurbitaceae, Meliaceae, Moraceae, found in any part of the plant as free or glycosidic form. Tetraterpenoids, these are also known as carotenoids. They are found in non-photosynthesis of plant tissue in the fungi and bacteria. Due its long chain of conjugated double bond, the carotenoids are colored yellow, orange and the red. Occurs in many plants and distributed in almost all parts of the plant, such as roots in carrot, leaves, spinach, fruits, tomato, seeds. Terpenes and terpenoids are found in all the volatile oils, resins and resin combinations of plants or animal origin. Drug containing terpenoids are known as terpenoidal drugs. General properties of terpenoids: most of the terpenoids are colorless, fragrant liquids which are lighter than the water and volatile with the steam. A few of them are solid, for example camphor. All are soluble in organic solvent and usually insoluble in water. Most of them are optically active. They are open chain or cyclic unsaturated compounds having one or more double bonds. Consequently, they undergo addition reactions with hydrogen, halogen acid. A number of additions products have antiseptic properties. Biogenesis pathway, which are of two types. First one, mevalonate pathway. Mevalonic acid formed from 3 molecules of acetyl coenzyme A. Mevalonate independent pathway via deoxydecylated xylulose 5-phosphate arrives from the combination of two glycolytic pathway intermediate, namely pyruvic acid and glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. The mavolinate pathway predominantly used by many plant species and in few insect species. Non-mavolinate pathway, which is mostly occur in plants which have chloroplast and the algae, cyanobacteria, eubacteria and important pathogens such as mycobacterium and malarial parasites.